Badgerinaires and Badgerettes. Welcome to the fantastic, the almighty, the all-powerful Badger vs Shotgun Mortal Kombat. Test your might. The two of us are now linked in battle in the Nether Realm. Mortal Kombat, the original, on the Mega Drive. Badger vs Shotgun. Only one will come out victorious. Who of us will win? Let us join the adventure. Won't this be spiffing? Now we're on to the loading screen. We have the traditional original cast of the very first Mortal Kombat. As you can see, it wasn't 1,000 characters, it was quite limited to begin with. The Badger is going to go for Liu Kang. Who will Shotgun choose? Johnny Cage. Fight! Combat zone is the courtyard.
Again.
Fireball. And there it is. Oh, sugars. Epic fail. Shotgun wins first battle. Time bonus and strength. Jammy scan. Badger wins second battle. Now it is up to the final battle. Who will win? Round 3. Oh. Oh. Oh! Excellent, Smithers. Oh! Oh! Shotgun wins as the Immortal Cage.
Wins.
Shotgun wins. And now, on to the rematch. Fight number 2 of best of 3. Who will win? Kang versus Sub-Zero. The Badger is Kang. Oh, and Shotgun is Sub-Zero. No, double ice backfire. I've never heard of that, have you?
Yeah, if you do 2 in a row, I think cancels it out. And you
Really?
get it.
Ha ha! Kano wins! Time bonus and strength. What? What? Spiffing, time bonus. Fight! And there it is. And there it is.
Mummy,
dearest. Oh no. Ice bucket challenge. Oh. Epic fail from the Badger.
and the chops.
Oh no, Niz. Right, fight. Oh. And then. Oh. Shotgun, the Mortal Kombat master. Doing the jig, look. Hold on. Oh! No! Kano's had one too much to drink. Just falls over. Sub-Zero and Shotgun.
The best out of 3 out of 1.
Nervous.
Well, just for fun.
Just for fun, one more. Will the Badger be able to regain some ounce of power?
1 ounce of dignity.
1 ounce of dignity. Let's find out. Looks like Shotgun will be winning the Badger versus Shotgun trophy. Oh, boing! Liu Kang's head is record, wasn't it? Oh! Liu Kang wins! The Badger has some sense of awesomeness. Return. Round 2. Fight. Ugh. Oh. Spiffing. Not. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Raiden wins, and so does Shotgun. Flawless victory to Shotgun. No! Oh, one more! Spamming fireball. Badger wins with spam fireball.
You done it. Still lost the fight though.
No, still lost the fight.
Lost the battle.
Oh, but I spam won some victory, didn't I, eh? Shotgun won today's episode. Are we happy with this? Not so much. Right, so that's 2 to the Badger. I've won Wii Tennis and Wii Boxing. And Shotgun won Call of Duty and today's episode Mortal Kombat. So that gives me the right to challenge him to a duel. And I challenge him to Street Fighter 2 on the Mega Drive.